बनाने वाले हैं?
अभी हम बनाने जा रहे हैं गोन फिश करी।
Okay.
तो उसके लिए लगेगा आपको जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट,
Okay.
some onion
Goan
slice.
fish curry is what we're
Yeah.
going to make. Whenever actually I think of Goan food also or coastal food, fish curry is the first thing that comes to my mind. So let's start. What all do we have laid out here, chef?
Ginger garlic paste,
Ginger
onion
garlic
slice.
paste,
We have turmeric
onion.
powder, coriander
Okay.
seeds.
What is that, chef? The black thing?
This is the kokum. It's a,
Kokum. What
It's
is that?
something like it's a goan tamarind to
Okay.
get the sourness to the curry.
Achha,
Fish
so
curry.
it adds a soft flavor to the curry
Yeah.
and it's called kokum. So nice. That
Yeah,
sounds
this is the salt,
Okay.
chili powder,
Okay.
jeera, tamarind, garlic. We have ginger and
Ginger
coconut.
And coconut.
Yeah, first of all we'll marinate the fish.
Okay.
Little salt.
Chef, मेरे को इस fish के बारे में भी बताइए. What
a
fish
king-
is it? And
This is the kingfish.
it's kingfish, okay. And it's boneless. It's been cleaned and
Yeah, we have only one bone in the center.
There's only one bone,
And
okay.
it is down cut.
stuff. All right.
We'll
So you've put salt, you've put haldi,
yeah.
and now
Okay, what we'll do, we'll just marinate.
okay, तो इसको आप marinate कर रहे हैं
Yeah,
हल्दी and that's very simple. Just put like haldi and namak into it और उसको हाथ से
थोड़ा सा marinate कर लो.
okay.
Okay, इसको marinate करके we'll keep it. Once we marinate the fish, उसको थोड़ा टाइम के लिए छोड़ देंगे.
Okay, we just put that aside. Fish को marinate करके हमने side पे
वहाँ
रख
पे
दिया
रखते
है.
हैं.
Now we
तो अभी for curry,
ठीक है.
we would require coconut.
So curry
It's half a
chef,
coconut.
That's half a
It's
coconut
half a
that's been
coconut.
grated.
Yeah, grated.
And okay, so you take that
Piece
much.
of ginger.
Okay. Chopped ginger.
Yeah.
So this is basically the paste that chef is making for the curry.
Yes.
Yeah. So there's half a coconut that has been grated. There's
Spoonful
ginger.
of garlic.
A spoonful of garlic. That is a lot of garlic, chef.
Yeah. Little jeera. 4 to 5 red chili.
Okay, so about 4 to 5
Yeah.
dried red chilies.
Yeah,
This-
yeah, half
and
spoon
this
of
is
coriander seeds.
coriander seeds.
A
Okay.
bit of turmeric.
Okay.
And then half a slice of onion.
Okay, sliced onion. Just
Onion. What we'll do, we'll make a fine paste
Okay.
into very smooth paste.
So all these things you put together और इसका
Yeah.
एक paste बनाया
Yeah,
जाएगा.
paste बनाएगा.
Okay, so you get the mixer and you make
Yeah.
this into a paste.
Then it will come into this is the final paste.
All right, so this is
Unfold.
already done. This is how what it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is how it's look like.
Okay. Red color कैसे आया शेफ इसमें?
Because of chili, you will get
अच्छा,
that.
so that made it red.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, because of the chili.
Oh, pretty cool. Huh?
And now what we'll do is for curry, we need to
Okay.
saute some onion and tomato.
Okay. So half an onion
Just half a onion.
and half a tomato.
Yeah,
All
what
right.
we'll do, we'll chop.
Nice.
This is chopped.
Okay.
And
Chili?
yeah.
One chili?
One chili. Chopped things are ready.
Okay.
We'll add some oil.
Okay. So you're mostly cooking all of this in olive oil, right?
No, we don't use so much olive oil in
No?
bone cooking. It's basically coconut oil or refined oil.
Okay.
Once the oil is hot, we'll add onion.
So you,
It will take some time to
yeah.
get it hot.
So it's on sim, right?
Yeah.
Not very. ज़्यादा आंच पे नहीं रहता ना कम. And the fish is just marinated.
Yeah,
and
just
kept.
fish is marinated and the curry paste
The
is
curry
ready.
paste is ready,
Just
so you
ready.
just do the onions. इनको थोड़ा golden करना होगा ना.
Yeah. Once the onion are done, we'll add tomatoes. Then we'll add this
The curry,
curry.
the curry paste that you made.
Yeah, curry paste.
Is the gravy mostly like really thick or is it more
It's
watery
basically
sort of?
watery.
It's a
it's like
watery
curry,
gravy. Okay.
yeah.
And you eat it with steamed rice.
Yeah, with steamed rice. Once the curry is boiled, then we'll add the marinated fish
Okay.
to this.
And how long do you boil it for?
It will take 5 minutes to get
Okay.
it boiled properly. Once it boils, we'll add some chilies.
I'm hoping you'd forget
and
about the
coconut.
mirchi.
Yeah, I know.
So chef, Goan fish curry में mostly when you put the fish, it should be kingfish only, or you know there's surmai, there's ravas and all the different kind of fish.
We can add, but
Yeah.
kingfish ज़्यादा tasty होगा.
सबसे best kingfish के साथ
Yeah,
यार.
and prawns also.
Oh,
It's go
yummy!
very
Yeah,
well.
prawn curry. So this
Yeah.
is the same base that you
Yeah,
can.
same gravy, but
Oh.
instead of fish, we'll add the prawns.
I love prawn
to this.
curry.
So
Yeah, really.
after boiling, once it boils,
Yeah.
we'll add chilies.
Okay. So not bad, huh? So this is one base of gravy that you can add prawns or any kind of fish, but the
And
best
few-
flavor that comes out is with kingfish.
Yeah.
Actually, you're putting kokum now.
Yeah, no.
I'm very curious
From
about
this-
this because I've never seen this before. Like
Yeah.
kokum.
To like once it boils,
Okay.
to get that flavor, we'll add some kokum
तो
to this.
कोकम का फ्लेवर कैसा, वो टैंगी फ्लेवर
Yeah,
आता है
tangy
इसमें?
flavor
Ah,
आता
okay.
है. इसके बाद में हम लोग the marinated fish, we'll put it into this.
Alright. Cook in
We'll
its
leave
own
it to
flavors.
like to cook this fish.
And is this done on a slow?
Yes, in the
this
slow
thing?
flame, we'll leave
Slow
it
flame, yeah.
to cook the fish.
I can actually smell a lot of coconut. You know
Yeah.
that?
So basically with the coconut only.
Yeah, it's cooking in
La
there.
coconut. Yeah, it's ready now.
Nice bubbling curry.
Curry is ready.